Hello craft heroes! Here's what the finished arms of the bee doll look like. Now let's crochet this section together using yellow yarn. For round 1, we need to work 4 single crochet around a magic ring, 4 stitches in total. Now left palm facing you, hold the yarn tail and loop the yarn once around your pinky, and loop the yarn around your index finger and middle finger as well, so that it makes an X in front of your fingers. Pinch the crossover point of the X with your thumb and middle finger to secure it. Insert hook into this loop. Pull the left yarn through. Rotate the hook to make a loop on hook. Yarn over by bringing the hook under and over the yarn to catch it. Then pull through the loop on the hook to form one magic ring. Pinch both the end of the yarn and the magic ring together, with your thumb and middle finger, with your ring finger resting inside the ring. Next, we need to work 4 single crochet. Insert hook into the hole of the magic ring, yarn over, and pull yarn through the hole. See 2 loops on hook. Yarn over and pull yarn through these 2 loops. So this is 1 single crochet. Mark the first stitch with a stitch marker. The second single crochet. Three, 4, 4 stitches. If you have more than 4 stitches, undo them until you count 4 stitches. Hold the yarn tail and pull tight to close up the ring. Insert hook into the marking first stitch to work 1 slip stitch. Put the yarn tail on the hook, then crochet over it as you work to hide it. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop so we have finished round 1. The slip stitch at the end of the round is just for joining. It does not count as a stitch. Please do not include it when counting your stitches. For round 2 to round 3, we need to work 4 single crochet each round, 4 stitches in total. For each round, work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. Insert your hook into the first stitch to work 1 single crochet. Mark this stitch, the second single crochet, three, 4, 'Turn the piece inside out to the right side. You can see the V-shaped stitches on this side. This is the slip stitch, this is the chain stitch. The beginning chain and slip stitch at the end of each round are just for transitioning. Don't count them as stitches. So we need to skip these 2 stitches and insert hook into the marking stitch to work 1 slip stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop. Finished round 2. Repeat 4 single crochet in the same way as round 2 to finish round 3. Finished round 3. For round 4, we need to flatten and hook to single crochet to close the opening, 2 stitches in total. Work 1 chain stitch at the beginning Insert your hook into the first stitch and deposit stitch to work 1 single crochet. The second single crochet Finished round 4. Work 1 chain stitch and pull the yarn to leave a 6-inch long tail for sewing. Cut off the yarn and pull through the loop to pull tight. Now we have finished 1 arm piece of B-doll. We need to crochet another arm piece in the same way. Finish the arms of the B-doll.